Hello students, welcome to Class with Mathematics. Today we will study the new concept that is simple interest. Right? To understand the simple interest, let us have a small example that is, let us suppose you deposited 100 rupees in a bank for 1 year, right? And after 1 year, this 100 rupees will become 110 rupees. So how it happened? ये आपने 100 रुपीज़ जमा करवाए थे, अब ये 110 रुपीज़ हो गए 1 ईयर के बाद, ये कैसे हो गए? तो बैंक जो है, दिस इज़ बिकॉज द बैंक पेज, इफ़ यू डिपॉजिट एनी मनी, डिपॉजिटेड मनी इन द बैंक पे एक्स्ट्रा मनी टू यू ऑन योर total deposit, right? So that means you had deposited 100 rupees and now it will become 110 rupees. So that means there is a increase of 10 rupees. So this 10 rupees that is paid by bank, right? This is the extra money that you will get after 1 year. This extra money is called the simple interest. This extra money is called simple interest. This extra money is called the simple interest, and that means whenever we deposit any money in the bank pays extra money. Simple interest. So in this concept, the money that you deposit in the bank, right? You have deposited 100 rupees. That means what is that 100 rupees? That is called the principal. So here we have term is there principal. So what's the meaning of principal? Means the money deposited in the bank. In the bank. Money deposited in the bank, that is called the principal. Now you have deposited money for 1 year, so that means that 1 year is called time. So what is time? Time meaning period for which money is डिपॉजिट. आप कितने पीरियड के लिए, कितने टाइम के लिए उस मनी को डिपॉजिट करते हो, राइट? दैट इज द टाइम. नाउ आफ्टर दैट another word is there, rate, right? Rate of interest or rate, both are the same thing. Here I am writing rate of interest. So we keep in mind that is rate is always in percent. It is always written in percent, and interest means extra money. So that means what is rate of interest? Rate of interest means extra money paid by bank for every 100 rupees. For every 100 rupees. So percent means for every, here it is the concept of rupee money, so we say that percent is for every, percent means for every 100 rupees, and extra money is the interest. So extra money paid by bank for every 100 rupees. Every 100 rupees के ऊपर जो extra money बैंक पे करता है, that is called the rate of interest. After that we have one word is there, that is loan. One more word is there, loan. So it is not necessary that always we deposit money in the bank. हम ज़रूरी नहीं कि हम हमेशा ही बैंक में पैसे डिपॉजिट ही करते हैं. हम सब टाइम अगर हमें पैसे की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, इफ़ यू हैव एनी नीड ऑफ मनी, वी कैन आल्सो बोरो मनी फ्रॉम द बैंक. हम बैंक से मनी को बोरो भी कर सकते हैं. सो लोन, इट इज़ द मनी बोरोड बाय फ्रॉम द बैंक, मनी बोरोड from the bank, that is called the loan, right? One more thing, that is deposit and borrow, both are again we can say it a principal also, right? Loan is somewhat a principal also, right? But when we are borrowing the money, that is called the loan. But when we are solving the question, in that case we never write the loan, we will always write the principal, right, instead of writing the loan. Now, based upon the concept of this one, now how we calculate the simple interest? Simple interest in the smallest form, simple interest is equal to, that is principal P multiply by rate multiply by time upon 100, राइट. ये 100 कैसे आया? क्योंकि रेट जो है ऑलवेज परसेंट में होता है, तो हेयर आई एम कन्वर्टिंग द परसेंट इनटू, ठीक, numbers for every, so percent means for every 100, so I am writing 100 in the denominator. Let us suppose now a small example there. Let us suppose I have a principal is 1000 rupees. Now if I have time is 2 years, right, and rate is 5% per annum. पर एनम मीन्स एक साल का जो इंटरेस्ट है वो 5% है, तो 2 इयर्स पे इंटरेस्ट जो है ऑटोमेटिकली ज़्यादा होगा. तो इन दैट केस हाउ यू कैन कैलकुलेट द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट? सो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट वी विल अप्लाई द फार्मूला प्रिंसिपल इंटू रेट इंटू टाइम अपॉन 100. नाउ वी विल put the value. What is the principal? We have the principal is 1000 rupees. So principal is 1000 rupees. Rate, what is rate here? Rate is 5%. So you will write 5%. Don't write the 5% because 5% means 5 upon 100. We will write 100 in the denominator, and time is 2 years and 100 in the denominator. This 100, दैट्स देन ये 100 क्यों आया? क्योंकि जो 5% रेट है वो आपका, उसका मतलब क्या हो गया? फॉर एवरी 100, 5 रुपीज़ पर 100, पर 100 जो है हमें 5 रुपीज़ जो है वो इंटरेस्ट जो है वो मिल रहा है, राइट. सो वी विल राइट 100 इन द डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ आफ्टर दैट फाइंड द लोएस्ट टर्म. 20 से 20 स्टक ऑफ हो गई, तो आपके पास क्या बच गया? 10 multiply by 5 multiply by 2. So what is your answer now? Multiply 10 5 are 50, 2 are the 100. That means 2 years के बाद जो है वो मुझे जो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी मिलेगी, वो कितनी मिलेगी? 100 रुपीज़ अलॉन्ग विद द 1000 रुपीज़. इस 1000 रुपीज़ के ऊपर मुझे जो है 100 रुपीज़ जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा मनी जो है वो बैंक जो है वो पे करेगा, ठीक. बेस्ड अपॉन दिस कंसेप्ट यू विल नाउ try to solve worksheet number 1 of simple interest. Thank you.